Dear students, you all are welcome to the class of numerical skill. This video discusses on determinant of a matrix. How to calculate the determinant of a matrix or what it means, determinant value of a matrix. It's a new topic for today. So determinant, what it means actually. The determinant of a matrix is a special number that can be calculated from a square matrix. So it is very clear that there will be a determinant value only for square matrix. The symbol for determinant is two vertical lines either side of the determinant. So we are denoting by drawing two vertical lines. It is written as, for example, if you want to calculate the value of determinant of A, so it is written as like this, two lines on the either side of A. So determinant of A, it is read as determinant of A. It means determinant of the matrix A. Two lines either side of A. This a scalar value. Scalar value means a number, a value that can be computed from the elements of a square matrix. Okay, let us check how to calculate the determinant value of a given matrix. Calculating the determinant. So first we are trying to calculate the determinant value of a matrix having two rows and two columns, the order of 2. So for example, if there is a matrix, it's a given matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D, then the determinant of A, so it read as determinant of A is equal to AD minus BC. AD minus BC. The difference of the product of the diagonal values. So it is very easy in case of the determinant or the matrix having two rows and two columns. So let us take one of the example. If A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, and if you want to calculate the determinant value of matrix A, it is written as like this, determinant of A is equal to, so we need to use vertical line instead of the bracket here. So it denotes determinant of the given matrix 2, 3, 5, 7 is equal to, equation we know, AD minus BC. So it means 2 into 7 minus 3 into 5. 2 into 7 minus 3 into 5. That is equal to 14 minus 15. It will be negative 1 or minus 1. So let us take one more example, the same order. If A is equal to 2482, then the value of determinant of A is equal to 2 into 2. This is a 2 into 2, the diagonal numbers, minus 4 into 2, 4 into 8. So AD means A, the first value, 2, D means the fourth value, it is 2. So 2 into 2 minus BC, 4 into 8. So 4 minus 32, it is equal to minus 28. So this is the way to calculate the determinant value of a matrix in the order of 2 into 2. Two rows and two columns. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.